Cap 26 here, just for tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we just pulled this off the printer, and these are the supports of this model. We're just going to break off. You could do them with your hands too, but I'm just using a little pair of pliers here. Hope you guys are doing well today. It's a fall day, and I'm working on things here. This is donations again for community services. We try to get some Halloween stuff into them. Would be nice. Got us about a gallon bag so far of Halloween stuff. These are tree supports. This is what the support is called. They're a little bit better than using regular supports, because see how on the hand it connects? You can just pull it off the hand and not break the hand or the fingers. You can just throw this stuff away afterwards. So you can use your hands, or you can wear gloves. And be very careful pulling these off. You can also soften the hand area with warm water before you pull it off. That could help in taking a support off. That's recommended. That's the best recommendation I have for difficult supports that won't come off. There he is. He's all done. See that? That's Frankenstein. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. We'll see you in the next video. And please rate, subscribe, and share. And have a good day. Bye for now.